Imagine a place where the tranquil waters of Lake Victoria meets pinnacle of luxury. A sanctuary that whispers stories of wealth, power and dreams made real. Welcome to Speck Resort Munyonyo, most prestigious haven, where every corner tells a tale of opulence beyond imagination. But how did this sprawling masterpiece come to be? Who is this visionary behind this $200 million marvel? And what secrets lie within these walls? Today, we take you inside Uganda's crown jewel of hospitality, Speke Resort Munyonyo. Nestled on the 7 shores of Lake Victoria, Speck Resort Munyonyo sprawls across 130 acres of lush greenery and shimmering waters. It is more than just a hotel. It is an experience, a statement of grandeur, a symbol of Uganda's rise on the luxury map. But the true story begins with a man, a titan of industry, whose vision changed the face of Ugandan luxury forever. His name, Sudhir Rupalelia.
My name is Dr. Sudhir Rupalelia.
Sudhir Rupalelia, Uganda's richest man, with an estimated net worth of over 1.6 billion in 2025. A self-made billionaire whose empire spans banking, real estate, education, and hospitality. What drives a man to invest hundreds of millions into a single resort? What dreams fuel this grand vision? The answer lies not just in wealth, but in legacy. Step inside the lobby and their air changes. Marble floors gleam under crystal chandeliers. The scent of fresh flowers mingles with the faint notes of live piano music. This is where luxury meets warmth. But the beauty of Speck Resort is not only in its aesthetics, it's in the details. The 305 rooms, including 59 presidential suites and 55 executive suites, each designed with meticulous care to offer unmatched comfort. Outside Olympic-sized infinity pools sparkles under the African sun, a perfect place to unwind while gazing over the endless blue Lake Victoria. The marina offers private yacht rentals, inviting guests to glide across the lake's vast waters. And for those seeking rejuvenation, the SPA promises an oasis of calm, a retreat that melts away the world's worries. 5 exquisite restaurants line the resort, each offering culinary journey across continents and flavors from traditional Ugandan dishes to gourmet international cuisine. Every meal is a celebration of taste. Imagine tasting freshly caught fish paired with a fine wine while the sun sets in a blaze of gold beyond the lake's horizon. But Speck Resort Munyonyo is more than just a playground for the wealth. It is a beacon for Uganda's economy, employing thousands. It fuels tourism, attracts international conferences, and puts Uganda on the map as a destination for world-class hospitality. It is a testament to what vision and investment can achieve, inspiring national and generating hope for countless Ugandans. Yet, what lies ahead for this magnificent resort? Thrill of expansions, new luxury villas, and state-of-the-art conference facilities that will redefine hospitality standards. Once again, the history of Speck Resort Munyonyo is far from over, and the future holds promises that rival even its dazzling present. From the shimmering shores of Lake Victoria to the hearts of millions inspired by its grandeur, Speck Resort Munyonyo stands as a symbol of wealth, ambition, and the power of dreams made real. And as the sun sets over this breathtaking oasis, one thing is clear: Uganda's story of luxury is just beginning.
name is Dr. Sudhir.
Thank you for joining us on the journey inside Uganda's $200 million traction in jewels. Explore more stories of wealth, power, and inspiration from across Africa.